My computer friends, welcome back to Computer Guru VK Janki computer classes. In this particular module, we are going to learn about internet and web. There are a lot of confusion between these two and their different versions. So I'll explain. Dear friends, simply said, a network is when devices communicate with each other. Examples: home Wi-Fi network, all devices in a home connected wirelessly. Second, office LAN, local area network. Local computer is in office connected through solid bus bars. And third, the internet itself. All networks world over connected together under one administration. Dear friends, internet is a great thing, greater than web also. The internet is global network of connected computer all over the world and devices. This connection is done through cables, wirelessly, and many other things. The routers are employed, servers are employed, and it takes the help of satellite as also and all networking protocols. The internet allows devices worldwide to communicate. The, the following are the examples of things that use internet. First is email, online gaming, video calls we make through mobile and other devices. Third, cloud storage, message application, the web. Web is also a part of email. Whatever we do through web is done through internet. Web is simply the interface. Then something like virtual private network, which a corporate company having many branches locally in a city or outside city may have their own private network that also communicates through internet only. The internet existed before the web. I used to make email through um, FTP during when I was using DOS only. The computer monitor was using DOS DOS. Most of the people may not be knowing that there is something like Internet 2 also, which is written as Internet 2. It is an advanced high-speed network and research organization in the United States. Something like America Online. It is not a replacement for the regular internet you see every day. Instead, it is a specialized network built on research, education, and innovation. It can be fed through America Online, AOL Online. Key points about Internet 2 are who uses it. Universities, research lab, government agencies, and some companies. For second purpose, to support cutting edge research and technology development. Third, speed, much faster than the public internet with very high bandwidth. Fourth, projects, used for things like scientific simulations, big data sharing, virtual classrooms, telemedicine, and advanced cybersecurity testing. Simple way to think it is the regular internet for everybody use. Social media browsing streaming. Internet too is a super fast experimental network for testing new ideas and handling massive data. Why it matters? Internet too helps develop new technologies that may later become part of normal internet. So apart from internet too, people have thought over internet 3 also. There is no officially recognized internet 3 in the same way that internet 2 exists. People sometimes use internet 3 informally to mean a future evolution of the internet, a decentralized internet, or technologies related to Web3 and blockchain. .NET is also a different thing from net or internet. Think of this way. Internet is a roadway, web, shops and buildings on the roads. .NET construction tool used to build some of those buildings. So .NET work on top of the internet or web ecosystem, not alongside it as a competing network. Friends, now on to World Wide Web, WWW, is a system of websites and pages accessed through browsers working on internet. It uses SWTP or SWTPS protocols. Difference between these two is these are public and these are private, secured. Second, web browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. 3. Web pages written in HTML. Examples, new websites, blogs, online stores, search engine. The web is only one part of internet. The key differences between internet and web are shown here. Internet has got a network infrastructure, while web information system running on internet. Second, connects computer globally. Internet connects. Web connects web pages and websites. Internet includes many services. Web many only one service. The web service. Other technology. Older technology. Internet is older than web. Built on top of internet. Friends, when you open a website, your device connects through the internet. Your browser accesses the web. The web page is delivered using web technologies. So, without the internet, web cannot work. But internet can still exist without the web. There are three webs over the years: Web 1, Web 2, Web 3. You'll be surprised. These terms describe different eras and ideas of how the web works. Web 1 was existing roughly 1990 to early 2000s. It was only read-only web. Early websites were mostly static pages feature. People merely read information, very little interaction, few user-created content. Example of Web 1 are basic company websites, personal homepage, homepages, online directory, typical experience where you visit a page, read it, and leave it there. No interaction. Friends, that too started uh, giving its presence from mid 2000 to today. It is read and write web. This is the modern web most people use today. Features, users create content, social interaction, application runs in browsers, platforms collect and monetize user data. Examples are it may be YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and X. Friends, surprisingly enough, there is a Web3, but it's an emerging idea, emerging technology. So it is read, write, and on web technology. Web3 aims to reduce dependence on centralized platforms. Main idea user can directly own digital assets, identities, online accounts, applications, usually powered by blockchain, cryptocurrency, smart contracts. Examples Ethereum are decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, decentralized application. Friends, something more. Web3 is about decentralized web applications instead of logging into central company server. User may interact directly with blockchain networks. The common Web3 components and these transactions are hidden. Crypto wallets, smart contracts, you can make contract. Uh, People can have contract without any central government agency. They go into contract and they benefit or they penalize each other through cryptocurrency. Decentralized applications. Fourth token or NFT. Examples Ethereum, MetaMask. Claimed advantages of Web3. First is less centralized control. Nobody is master here. No government agency. More ownership. Censorship resistance. Direct peer-to-peer systems. Criticism of Web3. Web3 is complicated, comprehend, Web3 has scams and speculations as there is no master government agency. This can happen, and this is happening. This is slower than centralized systems. So take it granted, Web3 is a decentralized system. Fourth, often still depends on large companies. They have companies which have created them. Friends, will discuss something on some components of web browsers. They have a user interface which has a address bar, their address on the internet. They have got a back and forward buttons, essentially. They have got a number of tabs through which you surf. Bookmarks can be provided and menu can be referred to. Browser engine connects the UI and rendering engine, manages action between components. Now rendering engines are to display web pages in HTML or cascaded style sheets, CSS. This is hypertext markup language. Example is Blink, WebKit, Gecko. They always have a JavaScript engine that executes JavaScript code on websites. Examples V8 in Chrome, SpiderMonkey in Firefox. This JavaScript has been replaced by Python and other languages. Fifth, networking handles internet communication, downloads web resources.